laser. That's what I thought. Gonna be just off our nose here. Good.
Yeah, 10-4, just came from one of the residential streets. Looks like
There it is. There it is again.
stand by on the address. I'm just going to track it down and I'll update.
We're getting hit again? Yeah, we are.
We're talking to them right now.
There it is. I got it. I got it. I got the laser.
Okay, Air 2, you can disregard that address. We got it. Hey, officer at the back door, that's your male. He's arrestable for mischief.
Yeah, we got the party under arrest.